So we're going to look at the euro dollar. And of course, as I said, we have seen that we have strength in the euro, and that's why the euro is one of our choices. Our from last week, this is the radar screen from last week, and these are our numbers. Our buying point was the 135.80, and our next structure is the 137.46, and our selling point was the 134.96, and we have closed the week now at 136.90. So we're about, I mean, if you'd have taken that trade from last week, you're about 150 pips to the upside. And this here was our buying point. So with that said, we have a structure point at the 137.46. We have closed at 136.90, so let's ballpark around the 137. We want this thing to go and close above the 137.46. That is a very powerful move, and it should take us to the next level, which is around the 142.16. So if we break above that, it should take us about the 142.16. So we want to be buyers of the euro. So we don't have a clear buy over here or an entry, a clean entry from here. So we're going to take it from the intraday. So with that said, we can buy the euro. I can take it above the high of the day is 137.14. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to buy it above the high of the day of 137.14. So we are going to buy above. We wanted to take the high, and then it will go to the 146, the 137.46. You want to be looking at that price point, because that is going to be your reference point. Okay, and we can sell it. We're going to place our stop below the 136.80, and the reason I'm placing that here because it is a structure point on a smaller magnitude. So if it does come down below that point, we can either exit our long and wait for it to come down. It's not a trend change, and if you want to take it short, you can take it short as a scalp, as a short term short. So this is not a trend reversal short. This is a short-term short below the 136.80, and you're looking for it to come down again towards the 136.20. So this will be like a quick scalp to the downside, and you're looking for a test of the 137.46. So our buying point is going to be, we're going to change that to 137. I'll leave it 10 so that you can see it. It doesn't particularly. Our short is going to be below 136.70, Our structure long is still the same, 137.46, and our structure short in this case is the 134.46, is still the same. The two structures are the same. And my long stop is going to be below 136.70, and my short stop is going to be above 137. We'll make it above the high, the 137.10. Okay, so to wrap this quick, the euro, and you can put these lines for the guys that are joining us for the first time. Put these lines on your chart with these price points so you can identify. We'll buy above 137.10, and our structure long is the 137.46, which means it is a very strong buy point if it gets above it. And if we buy it at 137.10, our stop is going to be 136.70, and we are only going to go short below 136.70, and our structure short is the 134.46, and my stop if I go short at 136.70 is above 137.10, so I'm risking about 40 pips on that trade. Okay, that's the euro dollar.